How to activate Kohl's credit card account online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Then on the search bar, search for kohl.capitalone.com. Then from this page, you're able to enroll, activate and manage your Kohl credit card account. Now, click on the sign in option if you already have an account with Capital One. If you do not have an account, click on Set up my account for the further process. Once you click on the sign in option, that's going to take you to another portal. On this login portal, enter your username. Once you have entered your username, enter your password on the second box. If you want your details to be remembered, check this box. Then click on the sign in option. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link. Once you click on this link, from here you will have to fill up all the information such as your last name, social security number and date of birth. Then you will be able to retrieve your login information. Once you have been logged into your account, click on the Activate Account option. Then enter your 3-digit security code to activate the card. Click on the Activate option and then your credit card will be successfully activated. You will receive a notification stating that your card has now been activated. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.